Hello everyone, today we're going to be explaining on dental fillings in electrochemistry. I hope you enjoy the video. Firstly, before we start the video, we have some of the field legends that you'd like to share. The electron, which is the E-, the minus, which is the N-ion, and the plus, which is the cation. In scenario 1 of electrolysis, we have both the cathode and the anode. During electrolysis at the cathode, cations, which is the positive ions, move towards the cathode. Cations receive electrons from the cathode. Reductions occurs at the cathode. At the anode, during electrolysis, anions, which is the negative ions, move towards the anode. Anions give off electrons at the anode. Oxidation occurs at the anode. However, within the electrolyte itself, during electrolysis, cations move towards the cathode, anions move towards the anode. The flow of ions towards the electrode constitutes the flow of the electric current through the electrolyte. Another example is a galvanic cell. We have two electrodes. One undergoes reduction and the other undergoes oxidation. There's a salt bridge which only have ions being transferred. For this case, is zinc and sulfate ion. Cation will move towards the electrode that undergoes oxidation, and anion will move towards the electrode that undergoes reduction. We have the oxidation half cell and the reduction half cell. So one day, Andy was having a very sharp pain in his tooth. He just had his dental filling recently. However, suddenly, an angel doctor fell from the sky. He knew what was the problem and he's going to explain the problem of what Andy was facing. So, redox reaction occurs in the mouth especially when there's a metal present, which is in fact a form of a crown or a filling. Tin is an active metal and it can manifest itself when it is opposed with a gold crown. The mouth becomes a site of a galvanic cell. Thus, when these similar metals touch, electrons pass down from tin to gold as cations in the oral fluid move towards the gold and anion move towards the tin. Thus, this is the redox reaction that is actually occurring in the mouth itself. The values all of the electrons can be all found in your data booklet. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something new. It is proudly presented by Alin, Andy, Donica, Kyrie and Ruman. Thank you very much. We hope you have a fruitful day ahead.